Hello, my name is Anthony Healy. My student number is X16133676, and this is my presentation for my project for cloud application development. So we see here I have my Rails project in Cloud 9, which I will now start up. And we can now run this so what a new user will be presented with when they land on this is a login page where they're going to have to log in. So the first thing they're going to have to do is they're going to have to set up a new user profile. I'm just going to, because this is pushed up to Heroku, I'm going to just do that in Heroku too, so that you can see it functioning up on the cloud. So this is what you would be out with a new user. You're going to get this online. You come in, you're a brand new user, you sign up. So my name is there we go. Nice. Password 01 with a capital P. Sign up. Brand new profile. Don't want to save the password, so why not? First name. So this is where initially I created a user, and now the functionality is allowing me to create a profile, so it'll know log when I came back, what bikes I logged, stuff like that. You know, all the good stuff. You know. So this is going to create the profile, and here we go now, and I can see that I now have my profile created. That's great. I can go back if I want to. I can see the profiles that are there, but I don't want to see that. So here I am, and I can go through my bikes, and I can see that I've got like a different array of bikes here. I've got men's, ladies, you know. So what I can do over here is if I knew the exact bike I wanted and I wanted to read about it, I can always search for that over here, and it will just bring up that one particular bike. Sorry, I don't know what I did there that I did wrong. So here I can go men's. Now you'd see that this has done is it has taken down just all the bikes that are there under the category men. Okay, I can now do a quick search and go for ladies bikes, and I can see that now I've got all the ladies bikes, and then if I wanted to I can go and I can search for all the kids bikes. So yay, even the kids get to have fun. So now, so that's just a search function in action. There we are. So let's go back to the catalog. So let's say I want to book this bike, or before I get to the booking thing, maybe just have a little look around here. So we have an about page. So this is just a very brief. Who are we? What are we doing? And if you want, there's a little map here embedded that just shows the location, where it is from Google Maps. The contact us page. This is, you know, your average contact us. I'd like to book a bike in next February. What your rates like? The whole kind of thing. So let's go back anyway, and we'll book a bike and see how that works out. So let's say we have this bike here. We've got what bikes? It looks like a nice one, nice expensive one. There we go. This fella looks good, you know. You know, click into these, we can see a little bit more about them, see what's going on. So, where am I? Book this bike. What bike was I on? I forget. Right, so I'm going to book a bike. So now I'm in my bookings page. So, it's kind of giving you the instructions here of what to do. So you have your item. So you book your bike, you write down your bike, your name, the date you'd like to buy it from. July 1st, and or maybe make that July 24th, or my birthday, July 13th, why not, huh? And the duration, 10 days. Sorry. Okay, so we create the order. So booking was created successfully. That's great. I can go back here now and I can see that I have booked the Jekyll mountain bike here. It's sent through. What the site actually does, it's got it's has a thing called action cable built in here. So I'll just show you. So basically, what that means is, if I was an admin on the other end, oh, pardon me, if I was an admin on the other end and I wanted to, anyway, that updates instantly as it's going along. So if I came along here and I made an edit here to this, it would automatically update straight away the second I go back to the bookings page. You can see that happening in real time via the action cable connection that's set up there. Okay, so that's the basic functionality of it. You can see here it's telling you what's going on. We can go back here. I can see my bookings. I can, see what's going on. If I want to edit that booking, I can edit it and say, hey, look, I want it for, I want it for, I don't want that bike. I want a different bike. I want, bike 10 instead or whatever. I can do that there and update the order, and we can see then that updates the bike. It says, no, just give me bike 10 kid bike instead. I can kill my orders if I want to. If I don't want them, I can destroy them, the whole lot. There you go. And I can log out. Now I'm out. That's it. I'm gone. So that's the basic functionality. I get in, I book a bike, I can search for whatever bikes I like. Bob's your uncle. So back to the code, what went on here. So just to talk through maybe one of the small things that happened here with the was how did I add that search function? How did that happen? So that followed the standard MVC layout, model view controller. So we'll have a look at the model first. So model went into items, because that's where all those bikes are held, and and you can see here. So we've got here, okay, what I want to do, I want to search. I'm going to search myself. What am I going to search? I'm going to search titles, which are the titles of the bikes, and I'm going to search the category. If I wanted, I could have added in more there. Just have 10 wheels, 2 wheels, whatever, but I said to keep it nice and simple, So this in turn is it's going into the method then. It's got a processor method, so let's have a quick look at where this goes into in the method. Models. It's in the controller, so in here. So this is our method in here in the items controller. That's all great. You can kind of see what's going on here. Go in, search, do what you got to do. Now, and then the final piece of the puzzle to follow the MVC structure is, that's got to then go in, and it's got to be, you've got to be able to see it on the web page, So in the layouts, which is like the base of the HTML here, we go in and you can kind of see here. So this is where this is added in here, this is where it's, it's going in. It's, you've got your little bit of text here, your bike name or category, or, and again, you can see it's, the code up here, So that's basically it. There's been yeah, that's the basic functionality of my website for now. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.